Hello and welcome to the latest AHDB land market update. I'm Rebecca. I work here at AHDB as a livestock analyst. During these first 2 weeks of November, we've seen lamb prices make a significant jump up. Live weight prices have increased to around the 265 pence per kilo mark. The dead weight measure is in touching distance of the £6 a kilogram. These prices are exceptionally strong, not only for the time of year, but actually in overall general context of lamb prices. So, what's driving them? Very simply, it's a lack of supply. We've seen this throughout this year, low numbers of lambs and ewes, in fact, coming forwards. And this is really starting to bite now, and therefore the prices are trying to draw out supplies in the market. There doesn't seem to be a lot there though. It does depend on who you talk to. Some people are saying they've had an increase in the number of store lambs around, whereas others are saying there just aren't that many around. What I think probably it comes down to is we have more than we saw last year, or the first half of this year for the carryover, but in the overall general long-term averages, it'll be on the lower end. So that's not only increased our price here, but we're seeing this on the continent. European lamb prices are also exceptionally strong and rallying. This is giving our market further support. What's really key to this is the lack of New Zealand lamb. New Zealand have a good amount of lamb to export, but it just isn't coming to us, in part due to Asian demand, but also due to those freight difficulties caused by COVID-19. This means that normally the potential that New Zealand could send us lamb puts a bit of a cap on our price, but because that potential isn't there, that cap is sort of removed, and this is sort of allowing our prices to really move up. These may not be sustainable positions, but overall we're unlikely to see anything significantly change in terms of giving us downward price pressure for at least a good few months. It doesn't mean prices won't record some ups and downs, but overall there's nothing significant downside pressure on our price currently. This will of course all change when we start to see what happens with our crop next year, but that's sort of where the situation is currently. If you'd like to keep up to date on what is going on with lamb prices, you can subscribe to our newsletter, Cattle and Sheep Weekly, and then it will come into your inbox every single Friday and give you the latest news and latest prices. If you found this video at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you next month.